Hi, this is Vic, and on this video I'm going to show you how to generate a multi-level bomb from an Onshape assembly in OpenBOM. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and from my app list I'm going to choose OpenBOM. And once I do that, I'm going to now get the OpenBOM dialog that's going to allow me to choose the different BOM types and which assembly or part studio I'd like to use to generate the bill of materials from. I am going to choose the multi-level BOM. You see that you can choose various types. I'm going to choose the multi-level BOM here, and I'm also going to choose the top level assembly for this, which happens to be for this model the printer. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. Once I do that, I can go ahead and do one more thing. I can configure the properties that I'd like to be shown when I generate a bill of material. And these are now predetermined by me. I've already chosen this in a previous exercise I've done. I have the name, thumbnail, type, quantity, part number, and the mandatory link to Onshape. I could choose other things here, but and so can you. But for the purposes of this particular demo, I'm just going to choose those to make it easier to view. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and create a bill of materials. It's going to take just a few seconds for it to get generated. And there we are. Usually it takes a few seconds for all the thumbnail images to be generated, and voila, there they are. So here we are. Here we have a multi-level BOM view. So what we've really done is we've generated a multi-level BOM view of this particular model. What this means is that we've collected the various single-level BOMs and we've combined them into a multi-level BOM view. So for the assembly types, you can see here that they will be sub-levels or nested bill of materials. So we have here one of them. I'm going to close that with the little plus. I'm going to open the next one. And you see that even within this nested one, there's another sub-assembly here. Let me go ahead and click that. And you see that that now goes even further. So it goes further and further depending on the particular model I have. So that is essentially how you create a multi-level BOM view or a multi-level BOM within Onshape. Now, one more thing I want to show you, which I think is important. If you click here, the info panel, you're going to have a list of all the BOM properties that are part of this model. Now, let's say you had chosen to have 10, 15 or more properties in this bill of material, but you only want to view a certain amount. Okay, so you can go here and configure the view that you'd like to have. So for example, this link to Onshape, although mandatory, I don't want it to appear in the multi-level BOM view, so I'm going to click it off. See, I just clicked it off here. I'm going to save, and you see that it doesn't appear. However, in the info panel, you see that it's still available to me. This is just a handy way. And also, if I go ahead and click on a sub-assembly, you see that I get all the relevant information as well in the info panel. If I go even further in there to the nested sub-assembly, I still have all the information I need. Okay, so that is how simple it is to generate a multi-level BOM view in Onshape with OpenBOM. Thanks.